how to add mailbox in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, in Yahoo Mail homepage, okay, go to gear icon on the right side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to more settings. On left side, okay, go to mailbox. And mailbox, okay, you can see here the mailbox list. And my mailbox list is one only. And okay guys, to add mailbox, okay, you'll have to do is press the add button, mailbox here. And now you can select the email provider. So for my example, I add into Google. But you can add into Outlook, Office 365, AOL, Yahoo, or other. So you can click other if you want. For my example, I add mailbox into Google. Okay, click Google and enter your Google email address here. So for my example, I add this email, and after you add the email, click next button. And you need to choose your account. And scroll down and click allow button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add the mailbox in Yahoo Mail on computer. You can add your name and description and click done. And after that, click the back to inbox button to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add mailbox in Yahoo Mail on computer.